Hi everyone, I'm Stormscope. I have a 5-year tracking experience with the weather, storms, and hurricanes, which are basically all in the same category. I do daily uploads, so you can rely on me uploading unless I don't get sick or something like that happens. And please subscribe. You know why? Because 99.3% of you aren't subscribed, so please smash that subscribe button. Let's get started with this. So today we're only going to review one storm, and that one storm is Tropical Cyclone Alfred. There are two more storms that are currently alive right now, but I really don't want to talk about them as currently they're affecting us, and they're just about to die. So I really don't want to talk about them. We are still going to review America, so stick around for that. But currently we're just going to talk about Tropical Cyclone Alfred. Tropical Cyclone Alfred has recently upgraded to 65 miles per hour and is actually, we just got a new forecast in, so that the JTWC people, or the people who make these forecasts, are predicting the storm will now landfall with winds of 65 miles per hour. So expect higher winds now than they predicted earlier. But yeah, they say 65 mile per hour landfall. That is decently strong. So yeah, that might be kind of dangerous. So stay safe when that happens. So currently, the storm does actually have 65 miles per hour, like in the forecast when the landfalls, and it's so obviously, it's not going to strengthen. It's just going to stay the same. Um, it's just going to stay the same strength. So yeah, we don't expect too much from it. So that's that for that. So the storm. We're going to go ahead and look in precipitation. Currently, the storm is getting a rain of about 30 inches an hour, or 0.3 inches an hour. Sorry, 0.2 to 0.3 inches an hour. That's not a lot, but as it goes on, the rain is surprisingly going to get stronger and go to 0.7 inches an hour. But when it landfalls, the rain isn't going to be that much. 0.2 inches an hour, 0.3 inches an hour getting there. So yeah, the rain isn't going to be a lot when it landfalls. So don't worry too much about the rain part. Let's go ahead and look at the temperatures for the storm. So a storm needs a 79 to 80 degree Fahrenheit waters to develop or more. So if we go ahead and look here, this is where the storm is right. So this is where the storm is right here. Wind right here. So 78 degrees Fahrenheit, 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Obviously, this water is not enough, and that is why it's not strengthening and just staying the same. And as you can see, it actually did weaken from 70 to 65. That is why the storm just why it weakened. So yeah, that's that for you. It's only 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So not exactly enough to strengthen a storm. So now we're gonna go ahead and talk about the waves. So the waves for this storm are pretty high. They're coming up to 20 feet right now on the coast. That is a lot. 20 feet is definitely a lot. So we're coming on to Thursday. The storm of course is making waves of still 20 feet, but not as much as it normally was. But let's go back here now. Oh, if you go early in the 6th, it's making 25 feet waves. That is a lot. The storm surge is gonna be crazy for this storm. That's like the thing you should be mainly worried about, the storm surge. But of course, rain accumulation of course is still something that can happen. So let's go ahead and talk about that. This is the rain accumulation from Tuesday, which is today, to Sunday. So the rain accumulation is still 11 inches, surprisingly. So the rain also is going to be an issue. But if we go ahead and extend this to all the way to Monday, it's going to be raining 12 inches. Like that's a lot. 12 inches is quite a bit. But let's just go ahead and talk about when it landfalls. So from Wednesday to the start of Friday, 5 inches, 7 inches. So that's still a lot of rain. That's definitely a lot of rain. Let's go ahead and head on. Or no, the radar on the satellite. This is how the storm looks from from the top of the world. This is how the storm looks. So you can see, it Now, a lot of people think, oh my god, it looks so cool, but it actually, if it looks like this, that means it's just weakening. Like, it needs red. The cloud tops are supposed to be red, which is like, the colors and stuff. But right now, it's not red. It's supposed to be negative 65, or negative 70, actually. Negative 70, negative 90, that's what it's supposed to be. But it's nowhere close to that because of the temperatures in the water. So the storm is weakening. That's why, the storm is just slowly weakening. Alright, let's talk about USA. Let's go ahead and talk about that. So, let's zoom out and head over to America. So, here's America's weather right now. So there is currently a huge squall that is delivering snow and rain to America, and the squall is going to pass all the way through to the East Coast. So from here all the way up to, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, New York, Boston, all these areas, Florida, all these areas there are going to be impacted by the squall. The squall isn't too major though, so don't worry too much about it. These are the rains. These are the rains that it's getting currently for these areas. And here's the snow. This storm is delivering quite a bit of snow. Like an inch of snow an hour. That is a lot. 1.5 inches an hour. That is crazy. So yeah, that is all I have to talk about today. Thank you so much for watching.